Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will give you some tips on how to use Monday for your own business, which is a very useful platform and it is one of the best CRM platforms in the market. I will show you how you can create a to-do list on Monday.com. All you have to do is click on Add View, choose Dashboard, click on Add Widgets, More Widgets, and look for to-do lists, which is this one. Let's add this widget. Let's expand the view. Now we have our customized to-do lists on Monday.com. Let's say I want to add the task. Today I have meeting with clients. Let's say I have responding to emails. Also we have sales checking. Here we have our own personal customized to-do list. But take a note that to-do list is a widget which can be visible in most of the cases only to create person, not to everyone in the board. Now we have finished answering the questions we have received about Monday.com. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and share your comments below. And for more business ideas, you can watch any of the other videos. Feel free to share your inquiries related to Monday.com below to answer them in our next video.